Good morning to all of you. My name is Deepika Pandey. I am from Saraswati Balika Vidya Mandir, Rambagh, Basti. Firstly, I would like to thank you, respected Deepak Sharma sir, who gave me this opportunity to I am standing here and speak my topic, electromagnetic induction. Firstly, we are knowing about electricity. What is electricity? The electricity is flow of charges. Who is the father of electricity? The Michael Faraday is the father of electricity. He performed his experiment in 1830, and he performed 3 experiments. Can you think about if there were no telephones, no mobile phones, no any electric bulbs, then how can you survive your life? Because all of the based on electromagnetic induction. If you are go mall or some shops and you are moneyless, that is called cashless, then you only give the ATM card to shopkeeper and he swipe that and your payment you get the pin and you can pay. But that shopkeeper is not take a photo of your ATM cards. This is behind that that are only performed by electromagnetic induction. Michael Faraday performed 3 experiments. For his first experiment, he created a wire loop and taken a bar magnet. The bar magnet is thrown in that loop and the galvanometer shown reflection. Galvanometers means which device which can detect only current, not measuring current, that only detecting the current. He says that the relative velocity between the loop and bar magnet. But in his second experiment also follow the relative velocity, but his third experiment he conclude that that is not necessary. The relative velocity is necessary for electromagnetic induction, because in this experiment he taken 2 coils wire loop. Wire loop means a wire which is closed loop, means closed circuit, and in that circuit he put galvanometer and other coil he put batteries. Batteries means collection of cells, and also connect a switch. He press the switch, then momentarily deflection in galvanometer. That's why he can say that he said that not perform electromagnetic induction by relative velocity. He also says that if we press tap switch suddenly, then also deflection in galvanometer. So electromagnetic induction is more essential part of our life, because when Michael Faraday was invented this and shows in front of the world, then everybody asked him, what is the use of this electromagnetic induction? Then he smiled and he says, what is the use of a newborn baby? Then today's scenario is no any task performed by electromagnetic induction. Thanks to listening me like this. Thank you.